Hi, welcome back. Today is the Saturday, and I will be traveling on Monday. So anyway, you can see there's weeds. Some of these weeds are kind of dragged, picked, uh, removed. Basically, gave it some torture because I see you see these things, right? They go near the wall so close. Oh man, it's already embedded in the wall. See this one? It's already embedded in the wall. So give it some trouble. So just for it to know that it's not welcome. But at the same time, right, I don't want to take these weeds and put it outside because one time, right, Surendran Anand's younger brother, he said that, hey, why don't you just wrap it and put it in the well? It will act as fertilizer. In fact, that I at that time I said thought this fellow doesn't know anything, but the agriculture uh, office also they are saying that why do you even remove weeds? Haven't you heard of non-tillage farming? So this area I have not ventured in, but yeah, let me venture in, right? Because see, the assumption is all this Chapakalang thing is lying around, right? I'm not trying to disturb the ecosystem here too much, right? And these tender plants, see, this is the papaya which fell down by itself, right? This was the support for our many of the Chapakalang creepers, right? So now here I had planted. I think this looks like chiku. Not sure if you can see, but this is definitely chiku or whatever it is. I mean, it's not a weed. So this is also growing. I'm not disturbing it. So these are small plants. These are tender plants. They're standing. The agriculture guy wanted me to remove it. I said, "What's the problem? Let it stand there." So anyway, not complaining about the agriculture guy, but anyway, this is a beetle nut. I mean, I put this. I think last time I told you, I just kind of have something apart from weed because I didn't want it to be overrun by weeds. Again, so this time this is something which last time I had tied it because it was leaning. I mean, I thought it would not survive, right? So anyway, this is grown well. Will at least survive. So this is tender. This one is also. I don't know what this is. Doesn't look like. Anyway, so I don't. I'm not dealing with that right now. Not trying to pluck it or pull it ruthlessly. So the chakka was a good experience. Thank God for it. This the chakka guy wanted to cut this entire branch to take that chakka, but I was also keen to do this, but I'm not getting anybody. So if I call somebody, he will charge me 300, 200 rupees. Chakka itself sells not more for not more than 20 rupees. That is if we go to sell. If we go to buy, I don't know. I'm not even asked about the cost. So all this I've left it alone. There's nothing much new in this video. I'm just trying to show you this video to emphasize that I have not changed anything here, not been able to work too hard on this. This also, right? The agriculture guy wanted to remove it. Look at the shell. Look at the size of it. Look at this size, right? I mean, seriously. I don't want to give it to Grace saying that, oh, I got it from the sea. No, but no, I won't do that. Seriously, look at it. I don't know. Sometimes I think of myself as a random farmer instead of a summer farmer. Right? Neem, remove it. Neem seems. I'm not very keen on neem, right? Because I really did. Because it puts deep roots and sucks everything out. Anyway, so this part, right? Let's hover around a bit on this, right? This kind of this part disturbs me no end. Anyway, I'm happy. This is the green shoot. I'm very happy about this. At least it's not completely burnt. Don't know what I did here, right? Now, of course, it looks burnt, but maybe I should have done something, planted something. Maybe if I wonder what this. I'm going to maybe seek more help from the agriculture folks. Because the guy who came, right, he only knew one classification: weed, not weed. I mean, and within weed also, right? He was I'm not too sure. Anyway, I think you all understand what I'm trying to say, but okay. So I was looking for maybe some expertise. Anyway, I think we are all left to our own devices here. So here. Nothing major here to report as such. These I don't know whether it is Panamaram or coconut. Just don't know. This one, right? I definitely what I planted. Right? Last time, right, I was whining saying that oh, I'm also as bad as my forefathers. Right? I'm also planting thorns. Right? Name it seems. So again, this one is the great thorn. I mean, it is already what was already there. This one again, our great thorn. So some of these I try to remove it again. I'll do my best. Again, this one I didn't pay attention. No, it doesn't look like removed anyways. Wall. This wall needs a lot of treatment now. I need to figure this out. The wall needs treatment. I don't know what treatment it needs.